Howdy folks, guess what? Mother's Day is near. And if you're like me, this special day seems to sneak up on you year after year. Why do we do this? Great question, I don't know. I wish I had the answer. There is a solution though for this year. Hear me out, let's don't do it. And I'm here to help. Go to Labbystradanco.com and just check out the general store. We just dropped some more cutting boards, and if your mom doesn't care to show off food or prep food on these handmade heirlooms, then guess what? We just dropped some coasters. That's right, wood coasters. So if your mom doesn't like to cook and she just likes to, well, keep the cup rings off the table, then you're in luck. And that's not it. If you order from today until Monday, May 3rd, and you enter the promo code MAMA at checkout, I give you 10% off, okay? And that goes for anything in the general store. You may think, coasters, cool. The cutting board, is that it? No, that's not it. You may get a sticker or two and these specialized care instructions to ensure the longevity of your wood cutting board. Not to mention this crisp, eco-friendly packaging. I also stand by the quality of the craftsmanship. So if you have any issues with your wood goods, then I'm here to help. That's right, any serious issues, and I will replace your cutting board, no charge. Also, might I mention, if you're in the West Georgia area and you want to come on down to the general store in person, we might be able to arrange that. So just let me know if that's what you want to do. Because let me tell you, we have a handful of options that are not available online, in-house. They just might be the one for you. Yeah, I'd buy that. So get in touch with me via Facebook, Instagram, YouTube's, emails, phone numbers. You guys know, I hope. Drop a comment, let me know, slip in the DMs, whatever you want to do. Let me know if you want to come out here to the general store in person, check it out, get a quick tour of the shop. Otherwise go to Labbystradanco.com and at the very least, check out the general store. And if you see something you like, don't forget to use the promo code MAMA at checkout. Thank you guys so much and enjoy the rest of your weekend.